Good morning, children. Welcome to another interesting class of English. Let me tell you a story. She is Yavi. Yavi has come back from school and she is having a conversation with her mother. Let us see what is she asking her mother. Mom, I need your help. Yes, dear. What happened? Mom, I have got a homework from school. Okay, how can I help you? My teacher has given us a story and asked us to reduce and correct it. Okay, let me see the story. Yavi shows her mother the story. Let us read the story once. Raju is a good boy. Raju wakes up early in the morning. Raju goes to the park to play with Raju's football. Monica is Raju's sister. Monica likes to play with Monica's toys. Raju and Monica study in the same school. Raju and Monica are my friends. Raju, Monica and I are going to the park. I saw a monkey in the park. The monkey was brown in color. The monkey was very naughty. Children, did you find something strange in this story while reading? Let us wait to see. Yavi's mother is telling her something. Yavi, can you point out the naming words in this story? Children, you also have to find the naming words with Yavi. Let us see the naming words in the story. Yes, sure. So all the words in red color are the naming words. Okay? Raju, morning, park, Raju's football, Raju's sister, Monica's toys, school, friends, Raju, Monica, park, monkey. All of these are naming words in the story. Yavi, some of the naming words are repeated. Yes, Mom, I can see it. Children, can you see the naming words being repeated? Yes, we do. You can change some of them to pronouns. So Yavi's mother is giving her an idea. But there is a problem. Pronouns? I don't know what is pronouns. Children, so today we are going to see what are pronouns. Yavi's mother is going to explain it to us. Words used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. Nouns are naming words. We use pronouns when we don't want to repeat a name. जब हमें नेमिंग वर्ड नहीं रिपीट करना होता है, then we use pronouns. This is Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith is always happy. Children, the pronoun he is used for a boy or man. So in this statement that you can see here, Mr. Smith is repeated 2 times, है ना? In the first statement, this is Mr. Smith. Again, Mr. Smith is always happy. So instead of this, we can use the pronoun he. We can write, this is Mr. Smith. He is always happy. So the pronoun he is used for a boy or man. Jia is a good girl. Jia is wearing a pink t-shirt. Children, the pronoun she is used for a girl or woman. So here, Jia is repeated 2 times. Jia is a good girl. Jia is wearing a pink t-shirt. So in place of Jia, we can write Jia is a good girl. She is wearing a pink t-shirt. So the pronoun she is used for a girl or woman. Now let us see the next one. This is a cat. The cat is of grey color. Children, here you can see the naming word cat. It is repeated 2 times. Right? See here, cat, cat. Now we can use a pronoun here. The pronoun it is used for a place, animal or thing. So I can write, this is a cat. It is of grey color. So remember, the pronoun it is used for a place, animal or thing. There are some more examples. For example, this is a pen. It is my favorite pen. Prayagraj is a city. Now for Prayagraj, it is a name of a place. So we will write it. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Children, can you see the picture? There are 2 people in this picture. Mr. Smith and Jia are in the garden. Mr. Smith and Jia are having fun. Now here also there are 2 names that are repeated, right? You can see here Mr. Smith and Jia. Now we can use the pronoun they. The pronoun they is used for more than one. If you see more than one people, you can use they. So I can write, Mr. Smith and Jia are in the garden. They are having fun. So the pronoun they is used for more than one. Children, this is one more example of they. You can see they means you are pointing out to more than one people. For example, here I can say they are my friends. Now there is one more pronoun which is I. The pronoun I is used when a person talks about himself or herself. When we talk about ourselves, जब हम अपनी बात करते हैं, we use the pronoun I. For example, I am a girl. Next, there is one more pronoun which is you. The pronoun you is used when we talk about a person who is in front of us. जब हम किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति की बात करते हैं जो हमारे सामने हो, then we use the pronoun you. For example, you are my best friend. You can see in the picture. There is one pronoun we. Now what is we? We is a pronoun which is used when a person talks about himself or herself and the person with him or her. जब हम अपनी बात करते हैं and we also talk about the people with us, ठीक है, then we use the pronoun we. For example, we are best friends. तो जब हम अपनी और अपने साथ के लोगों की बात करते हैं, then we use the pronoun we. Now, in this picture you can see I am a boy. You are a girl. She is a girl. He is a boy. We all are friends. They are going to school. यहाँ पे आपने डिफरेंस देखा. When we talk about, जब हम अपनी और अपने साथ के लोगों की बात करते हैं, then we use we. लेकिन जब हम सिर्फ दूसरे लोगों की बात करते हैं, then we use they. Remember this. Now, Yavi has understood what are pronouns. Now I can make my story correct using pronouns. Now children, you will also help Yavi, okay? Now I can write Raju is a good boy. Here Raju is repeated, so I can write he wakes up early in the morning. He goes to the park to play with his football. Monica is Raju's sister. Monica likes to play. So instead of Monica, I can write she likes to play with her toys. Monica's toys. तो इस यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज कर लेंगे? her toys. Okay? Raju and Monica study in the same school. Now here for Raju and Monica, they are more than one. एक से ज़्यादा हैं. So we will write they are my friends. Now यहाँ पे देखिए Raju, Monica and I are going to the park. यहाँ पे in this statement I is also there. So I am talking about myself and my friends. So here we will use we. We are going to the park. I saw a monkey in the park. Now instead of writing the monkey, I can write it was brown in color. It was very naughty. Children, you have understood what are pronouns and you also helped Yavi. With practice, you will understand the concept of pronoun. Till then, bye-bye and have a nice day.